What to pack for Valley of Flowers? Are you planning for the Valley of Flowers trek and wondering what to pack? Generally, on all treks, the list is long and exhausting. For regular trekkers, the packing process is exciting and easy, but for beginners, it becomes a task. Each trek has its own requirement as per the season and terrain. Like in winters, you need to keep the warmest of your clothes. For Valley of Flowers, being a monsoon trek, you have to be ready for rain. So here is a quick list of things which you must have on the Valley of Flowers trek. The first category is basic trek essentials. There are few items which you must have on a trek. A rucksack to carry all your stuff. A 55 to 65 liter rucksack is an ideal size. Summit bag of about 15 to 20 liter for your packed lunch and other quick access items. This is needed for the day you go to Valley of Flowers National Park and Hemkund Sahib from Ghangaria, leaving behind your main rucksack in Ghangaria. In case you offload your main rucksack on a mule from Pulna, then also the summit bag will be useful. A poncho or raincoat, an umbrella which is optional. The second category is clothing. We have divided the clothing into two parts. First, clothing for the day and second clothing for the night. For the day, you need 3 to 4 pairs of dry fit t-shirts and 2 pairs of dry fit pants. Fleece jacket for the trek to Valley of Flowers and Hemkund Sahib. You can also carry a padded jacket to Hemkund Sahib in your summit bag. Windproof or wind cheater for the day. 3 to 4 pairs of cotton socks, sun hat and sunglasses. For the night time, you need thermals, a t-shirt and pajamas for sleeping. Padded or down jacket, a woolen cap, a pair of warm socks and head or hand torch. The third category is personal utilities and toiletries, which include towel, soap, toothbrush and toothpaste, as this will be not provided at hotels in this trek. Sunscreen SF30 or more, moisturizers, sandals or flip-flop for easy at the hotel, as whole day you will be in shoes. A 1 liter water bottle, energy bars and dry fruit for snacking. Lunch box for packed lunch, a photo ID which is needed at hotel check-ins and your permit for Valley of Flowers National Park. Ziploc bags for stuff like batteries, phones or other electronics to add a layer of waterproofing. This is a journal list which shall be sufficient for majority of people. In case you are more susceptible to cold, then you can always add extra layers of clothing. So here is a quick snapshot of whatever we have discussed in this video, which can help you in to pack for Valley of Flowers trek.